Finally, it is time, my brothers and sisters. So many of you have asked me, begged me, and even demanded of me to make a pair of Gear 5 Luffy AF1'S. Wait no further. Yo, what's good fam? I'm your boy Dusty Mike. Yes, I'm the guy who either doesn't understand the common consensus of fashion, or simply just don't give a fuck. Therefore, I paint anime on all my clothes and shoes. I know it's been a minute since my last painting video, I know, but trust me man, it's worth the wait. This is gonna be my first Luffy-based custom on this channel, if I'm not mistaken. I have done a couple Luffy designs in the past, but it was all before I started this channel. None of them were a Gear 5 Luffy custom. Now is the time for all you One Piece glazers out there. It's time for you to come through and show your dedication. Cause ain't no way y'all One Piece glazers are willing to fight tooth and nail in the comment section of some random ass video. But when your boy makes some absolute fire One Piece art, y'all are gone? Not one of you inside? Nah, bro, come on, man. Log in. Gear 5 Luffy gotta be one of the most hype transformations of this century. We all thought Homeboy got slept. It seems like he came back with a whole new heartbeat. That was crazy. Bro is literally omnipotent now. He unlocked the forbidden cartoon force. Slamming dragons, grabbing lightning and shit. To be completely honest with y'all, I'm not the biggest fan of the whole Luffy concept of Gear 5. But the design itself goes hard. Bro, how Luffy did rub Lucci on Egghead? Oh my god, that was insane. First of all, banging your chest like this for the transformation? Yeah, that's S-tier crash out behavior for you right there. Bro then proceeded to speed blitz Homeboy with one of the fastest devil fruits out there. Oh man, yep, time to exit the game, bro. No warning whatsoever. He even stopped his own theme song, bro.
Nani? Oh shit!
Honestly, I didn't think I would live long enough to see the rematch between Luffy and Rob Lucci. Watching the original fight in middle school, boy! But Luffy ain't the only one in this custom. We are also painting Zoro. Now y'all know how I feel about Zoro. He ain't beating the racist allegations. How come all of his opponents are minorities, bro? Come on, now what's all that about? But I can't even lie, man, the way he smacked up King? Hey, that was crazy. Dragon Damnation? Nah, come on, bro, what you know about that? Bro literally said, oh, my captain finna be the king of pirates? I bet. I'ma become the king of hell then. Hold on, he's cooking. I'm not even gonna lie, B. All this yapping makes me wanna start cooking too. Let's get it, man. First, we gotta prep the shoes before we start painting. You know how this goes. For both shoes, I went with a dark blue night sky, reminiscent of Onigashima's night sky, where the legendary battle took place. And as you know, Gear 5 Luffy is hella goofy, but I didn't want the shoe design to represent that. As you saw previously, bro is on that demon time as well. Therefore, I went with this specific pose for the design. Zoro is always gonna look clean, but I went with this illustration specifically because of the legendary moment of him using the green haki and declaring himself as King of Hell. Gear 5 Luffy was pretty hard to do, I'm not gonna lie. Having already made a colorful background, I needed many layers of white to avoid it becoming transparent. This is definitely the most detailed Zoro design and Luffy design I've done in a long time. However, I think we managed in the end. Okay, now that we're back, let me just tell y'all, man, this custom is gonna be one of my best works so far. No cap. Hey, I don't want to sound like the average One Piece glazer, but I'm low-key starting to feel the hype right now. As you probably already know, man, these customs are placed by my followers over on Instagram. So if you want to get your hands on a crispy clean pair of dusty customs, well, you'll have to wait actually. Whenever this video drops, I've closed my commissions. That's because I'm currently working on launching my very first Jujutsu Kaisen print collection. But hey, still, head over to my Instagram and stay tuned because I will announce whenever I reopen my commissions over there on that platform. Now let's get back to the custom, y'all. As I previously mentioned, Luffy is hella goofy when he enters Gear 5. And this time I thought, let me just incorporate that into the design. So for Luffy I went for a close-up of him laughing at Kaido when he first awakened. I'm not gonna lie, this actually fit the shootbox way better than I imagined. For Zoro, he's always looking pretty serious. So I think this half-body portrait of him was a pretty good choice. And as you can probably tell, I really love Zoro's Wano design. It was so cold, bro. It's definitely in the top 3 Zoro fits for me. Aha! You know what time it is, cuz? You know what time it is. It's reveal time. But hold on, I ain't got the yappa yappa no me for no reason. Just want to thank every single one of you guys for watching my painting video to the end. Almost. I know only a very small part of my community watch my art videos, but I still enjoy making them nonetheless. I'm just happy some of you people out there enjoy them as well. If you haven't already, please leave a like on the video, man. It helps me reach more amazing people like you. And share this video with your fellow One Piece glazers. Ask them to rate the drip. Also let me know how you would rate the drip, man. Come on. And if you want to see me design something else, let me know that as well. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel, man. We are on our road to 10k before the year's over. Right now we are on 7.4k. Come on, man. We are almost there, man. Join the family. Now let's check out the Gear 5 Luffy and Zoro King of Hell Nike Air Force 1s. Enjoy!